one of my students sent this image. Basically this is a dressing table, so he wants to know how to model this furniture. Okay, so first of all you need to create some references so that you can create clean modeling. Just make reference, create a rectangle for this top part, this mirror part, and the CNC part is a part, and then middle part is, here is 3 drawer, so you can create another reference like this, and then the bottom part, here is 3 drawer and CNC part. Okay, so as if you create proper reference, your modeling will be very easier. I'll try to create this model in very easy way, so let's get started for the modeling. Okay, so first of all I'll create this part. Okay, select this rectangle and modify extrude. Okay, and then as you can see, this is part, this depth is maybe a 10 to 14 inch, so make this 10 inch or 12 inch, and then make it editable poly, so that I'll apply, so that I can apply a lot of modification over here. Okay, and I need to make this 2 part, one part is mirror, one part CNC. Okay, so I need to select the edge and then connect over here. Okay, so this part little bit lower wide, so like this, and then select the polygon and extrude like this. Okay, this is a smart extrude, shift and just push and pull. Okay, then here is a bit, so you need to create this bit like this, shift and then drag, F4 for show the edges. Okay, then polygon and then extrude. Then I need to create a CNC like this, but first of all I need to a punch that I can merge in this kind of CNC. So select the polygon, insert over here, as simple as that. And then extrude in a negative way. Okay, F for front, then vertex, just adjust as per my reference to extrude this 12 inch. Okay, that's fine. Convert to poly, then connect edge, so connect. For the upper drawer, and then again select edge and then connect. For the lower, Alt W for full view. Okay, so this is a drawer, and then here you create a punch like this. Okay, and then here is 2 part of drawer. Select this edge and this edge and then create connect. Okay, but this part is need to some push in the left side, so select the element, select the polygon, hold shift and control at the same time, just push in this object like this, make it a clone to element. Okay, and then no need this part, so select the poly and punch it like this, and this element So there is a problem, there is no cap, so you need to create a cap. For need to select the border and then right click from mouse and then cap. Okay, and then you can select this element and you, so just see the reference and adjust like this. Okay, go to the perspective view and then see how it's look like. Okay, first of all we create some basic mass model, and then finally we develop a detailing part like this knob, handle, or create CNC like this. Okay, so first of all you need a proper structure as the measurement we can assume. F for front, then the lower part make it extrude first of all, and then here is 14" is okay. Then here is two part, one part CNC, one part is 3D. So edit poly, select the edges and then connect. So I need two part, so need to connect and see this part and this part, and this part will be punched. Okay, I need to punch some around like this. Okay, then select the polygon and then extrude like this. Okay, so I need to create three parts of drawer. So need connect like this, 1 2 and another 3. Okay, then I need to select the polygon and then make it inset. Okay, another inset for the drawer, and then now make it by polygon. Okay, so adjust like this and then create like this. Okay, hold Ctrl and Shift and then drag, then make it clone object. Okay, then make it thicknessable for apply the shell modifier, make it 0.75 inch, 75. Okay, and then you need to affect pivot only center to object here from the hierarchy. Okay, move and then adjust over here. So this is my drawer part, and then punch, and then the CNC part. For the merge the CNC, you need to some groove over here. So you can create the connect inset, create like this. Okay, and then you can adjust as your reference. And then create like this, and need to create the top part like this. Select and then little extrude, and then select this poly and then extrude like this, and then you can adjust by the selecting snap. Of course it will 3 snap, and then okay. So my basic structure is okay. Now I focus on the detailing. Okay, So need to draw create like this. Select the polygon and insert by group by polygon. Okay, and then punch it like this. Adjust from front, P for perspective, Z for zoom, S for snap. Okay, and this part will punch not like this, so I need to punch and set. I need to punch like this. Okay, and there is no upper part, so remove the upper part, and side part is here. Okay, then there is my 3 drawer, and this part is much look like this. Okay, so I need the drawer front part, so need to select polygon, and then Control and Shift hold, and then pull, clone to object. Okay, and shell modifier, applied the shell modifier in this drawer part, so I can copy this shell over here, just drag and drop, boom. Okay, then affect pivot only, center to object. So here is my 3 drawer part. So if you want to detach from here, just make it convert to editable poly, and then I need to one element detach from here, so need to detach. Okay, then your object is detached. As simple as that. So this is my mirror part. So mirror like this, we will create mirror material in Vray or Corona, and then apply it, then we'll create mirror like this. So look at this reference, you can see this part is elevated, and it's look like a border, but we need to add this thing over here. So what can I do? So you can select this polygon, but there is no separated, so no worries. Select this edge and this edge, make it connect. Okay, and adjust for this reference, then select the polygon and then extrude it like this. Okay, then polygon, again extrude. Okay, so same to same. And here is a part missing, the upper border. So how to create this? Very simple, just select this polygon, Control and Shift, drag and pull, then clone to object, and then there need to adjust, just apply the shell modifier. Okay, affect pivot only, center to object, the upper border. So convert to editable poly, vertex. If you want to remove this edge, then select and then delete. Control and backspace. Okay, select, control and backspace. and then push as this reference to border like this. So polygon, little bit extrude, and then select the polygon and then extrude again. So adjust by snap like this, and then this part is not too much. So our mistake is this part is less thicknessable. Okay, need to decrease some depth. So overall you can decrease the depth by selecting the vertex. So basically I work in one viewport, you can work on these two viewport. So you can adjust like this. Okay, and then this part, select the vertex in this viewport and then adjust over here. You see the reference. So when you work on 2D view, you need to make it 2.5. Okay, then vertex, adjust over here, then done. Okay, so here is mirror part, here is CNC part. Drawer part is okay. So this part is look like very narrow. As you can see, this part is more wider. Okay, okay, maybe this is okay. This part is little higher. So this height is, you can adjust our practical experience. So check this height rectangle. Basically this kind of furniture will height is 7 feet. So you can make it 7 feet height, extrude, then 7 feet. Okay, so this much heighter, maybe 8 feet. So you need to adjust around 8 feet. Okay, done. We can create this kind of CNC by using Photoshop or Illustrator, but you know that 3ds Max is very powerful software. So here is some default CNC making tools. So I want to see you guys how to create CNC like this or another pattern by using 3ds Max by default. Okay, so first of all you need to a plane. So create a plane over here and then merge in like this, and then make it some segment, much more segment. Okay, and then go to the edit poly and then select element, select full element. The magic part is here, click the generate topology. Okay, and then you can see here is lot of CNC type pattern. There is a diagonal pattern, there is orthogonal pattern, honeycomb pattern, so a lot of pattern. So I select one pattern like this, Ctrl Z for the undo. So I can create pattern like this, or Okay, maybe this will good. Convert to edges. Okay, or Control Y for so edge. You can create shape and then linear. Okay, and then make it renderable. Enable in render, enable in viewport, and then adjust like this. Make some thickness. So as you can see, the CNC part is ready. And same technique I'll apply in this part. Okay, so first of all, make the plane. Okay, adjust the segments. Okay, then select full element, generate topology, select the full polygon instead of edges. So insert it by polygon. Okay, simply delete this and then make it shell. Okay, so in this way you can create this pattern, or you can create a spline, create some spline and then make it thicknessable, enable in render, enable viewport. This is a way, this is another way. So as you wish, what is suitable for you. Okay, so this is our progress. So I need to create some knob like this. So how to create this? So if I create a cylinder, so select the auto grid so that you can create over this surface. And then convert to editable, edit poly first of all. And then select the vertex and scale it. This part also need to select and then scale it. Then you can apply the chamfer modifier. Oh, this is very dangerous. No worries, just increase the segment and amount, decrease the amounts. Okay, now it's look like very fine. Then you can make it smooth chamfers only. So if you increase the segments, so no need this segment. I need just cap segment, sorry, need the side segment. Okay, and then apply edit poly and then chamfer, but this is not working. Okay, then need this also here, instance, and then here and then here is 3. So shift and then drag this thing and then instance. Okay. So you can create also this kind of seed, very simple. Just create a box and seed height. By the way, you can push your model in 0 reference, 0 axis. Okay, so our seat height will 18 inch, so height 18, okay, or 20. Then convert to editable poly as you wish. And then make some design over here, connect, extrude. I want to apply some groove. Okay, okay, and then you need to create this, the seat cover, another box. So for perspective, you need to active the 3 snap, and then no need to apply auto grid. Give some height, okay, and then make it chamfer like this. You can increase some heights. And then for more realistic, you can use FFD4 control point, but you need to some connect over here. So go to the box and increase some segments, and then you can apply FFD control point, and push the upper part. See, this part is ready. So near look like this. Okay, so decrease some height if you want. Okay, so in a way you can model this furniture. So in next video I will apply the material using Corona render or Vray render. So let me comment what render engine I will use for the product rendering. Just let me know. So this is our final output. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you again in next video.